Hi, I'm Roamy. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Kahubaby Carrier to carry a newborn. So here I've got the Kahubaby Carrier. Now the first thing I want to do is narrow down the width. So if you look in this little space here, you'll find some webbing and you want to tighten this up to its narrowest setting. This will narrow the carrier down to make sure it's supporting baby from one knee to another without overextending their legs. So that's all narrowed down. Now I'm going to turn it so the pattern faces in. Now with an older baby you'd put this around your waist, but for a newborn you want to put it a little bit higher, which will shorten the back panel. So I'm going to reach around and clip this behind me and tighten it up. So you want the carrier to go no higher than the nape of baby's neck. This is why I'm wearing it a bit higher, because then there'll be some fabric between us so that the carrier doesn't come up quite so high for a newborn. Now to pick up my baby. So you hold baby on your front with the head on your upper chest and their legs just to either side. So babies will naturally tuck themselves up in this sort of position with their knees higher than their bottom. For the first few months of age, babies will generally not be able to spread their legs wider than hip width. So go with whatever position your baby naturally adopts. So hold them on your front and then you're going to slide your hand under the base of the carrier and just straight it up over their bottom and back, like this. One strap is going to go over one shoulder and the other strap is going to go over the other. You then want to reach around behind and take hold of the strap on the opposite side. You're going to pull it straight down to hold baby nice and secure, then bring it round and clip it in, and you can use the other hand to hold the front clip. So clip those together. You're then going to pull this forward one straight forwards in the direction it's coming from to tighten it up. So get that one really nice and secure before you do the second. You're going to reach round, take hold of the strap on the opposite side, pull it straight down so it holds baby nice and snug, bring it around and clip it in. And again, pull this one straight forwards to tighten it up. So the most important thing with any baby carrier is you can see baby's face and they can breathe. You want the fabric no higher than the nape of baby's neck. You also want to check they're held nice and securely so they can't slump. So the way to check that is rest your hand on their head and just gently lean forwards and their body shouldn't pull away. If their body does pull away at all, tighten these up. If you find this is a little bit loose behind their neck, there's a little tightener piece just here under the hood. This is on the right hand side, just under the hood, and you can tighten this up in order to make it nice and snug behind the base of baby's neck. That's essentially it with the carrier. You just want to check their position, check they're in that nice tucked up position. If they have gone a little bit straight, just gently take hold of their knees and give a little tilt to bring them into a more curved position so their knees are higher than their bottom, like that. And if you need to shift baby left to right, you can just slide your hands inside and just gently move them one way or the other if they're a little bit off centre. That's essentially how to use the carrier. To take them out, you're just going to put one hand on baby and just loosen that front clip a little bit just so it's ready to use next time, and unclip, and do the same with the other side. So loosen that front one and unclip. Then bring one strap over one shoulder, the other one over the other, and just take baby out from the inside. And that's how to use the Kahubaby Carrier with a newborn.